Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of innovative Amazon finds that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without them. These aren't your typical tech picks. We're talking about game-changing tools that'll upgrade your daily life. Before we jump in, I'm on a mission to hit 100 subscribers, and I'd really appreciate your support. If you enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out more than you know. Now, let's get into it. Magnetic Fidget Pen. First up is the Magnetic Fidget Pen, and trust me, this is way more than just a pen. Write on paper, use it as a stylus, measure with the built-in ruler, light up dark spaces with the LED, and here's the cool part. Transform it into swords, robots, or whatever your creativity dreams up with its 13 magnetic rings and 12 steel balls. It's the ultimate stress relief toy that actually serves a purpose. At just $16.99, it's the perfect gift for anyone who loves to fidget. POWERUP phone-controlled paper airplane kit. Remember paper airplanes? Well, they just got a serious upgrade. The POWERUP phone-controlled paper airplane kit turns any paper plane into a smartphone-controlled flying machine. We're talking loops, barrel rolls, and speeds up to 20 miles per hour with a range of 230 feet. The autopilot system stabilizes your plane in windy conditions, and you can track your flights through the app. At $59.99, it's pure childhood nostalgia meets cutting-edge tech. HOTO Screwdriver. The HOTO Screwdriver is basically a Swiss Army knife for the modern age. This precision electric screwdriver features 3 intelligent torque presets that auto-stop to prevent over-tightening, perfect for delicate electronics. The star ring shadow-free illumination lights up your workspace, and it comes with 56 different bits that magnetically store right on the device. The modular snap block system means it transforms from handheld to workstation mode instantly. For $79.99, it's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. HOTO Magnetic Portable SSD. Content creators, listen up. This Magnetic Portable SSD is designed specifically for iPhone users who need serious storage. With read speeds up to 990 megabytes per second, you can record 4K 60 FPS ProRes video directly to the drive without filling up your phone. It's got a built-in cooling fan to prevent overheating, a real-time LCD screen showing performance stats, and even supports pass-through charging. At $303.99, it's an investment for serious creators. Compressed air duster. Say goodbye to canned air. The HOTO compressed air duster packs a hurricane-level 380,000 RPM motor that blasts away dust and debris with ease. 4 adjustable power settings, a 6,000 milliamp battery that lasts up to 90 minutes, and a built-in 200-lumen LED light for dark spaces. Use it on keyboards, computers, car interiors, or even to start campfires. It's rechargeable, eco-friendly, and built to last with a solid metal body. House Gem Mug Warmer. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. The House Gem Mug Warmer keeps your drink at the perfect temperature with 3 heat settings: 176 degrees F, 150 degrees F, or 130 degrees F. The 5.2-inch heating plate fits 99% of cup sizes, and safety features include a waterproof surface, auto shutoff timer from 2 to 12 hours, and UL certification. No more rushing to finish your coffee before it gets cold. At $22.79, it's a total game changer for your morning routine. Toothbrush Sanitizer. Here's something you didn't know you needed. This toothbrush sanitizer uses UVC light technology to kill 99.9% of bacteria in just 3 minutes. It's rechargeable via USB, lasts a full month on a single charge, and comes in 3 stylish colors. The magnetic mounting system lets you stick it right on your bathroom mirror, and it doubles as a travel case. For $29.99, it's an easy way to level up your oral hygiene. Anker USB C Hub. The Anker USB C Hub is the connectivity solution you've been waiting for. This 5-in-1 hub features 4K HDMI output, 2 USB-A ports, a USB-C data port, and 85-watt pass-through charging. It's compact, works with MacBooks, Windows, and Chrome OS, and at just $18.99, it's an absolute steal for anyone who needs more ports. MOPUP Automatic Trash Can. The MOPUP bathroom trash can brings touchless technology to waste disposal. Wave your hand or bend your knee within 8 inches, and the lid opens in 0.3 seconds, closing automatically after 6 seconds to seal in odors. The stainless steel construction handles wet environments like bathrooms perfectly, and the smart sensor prevents accidental openings from pets or kids. For $59.99, it's a clean and convenient upgrade for any room. Nesugar steamer for clothes. Last but not least, the Nesugar steamer for clothes weighs just 0.8 pounds, about as much as 2 smartphones, but packs 900 watts of wrinkle-fighting power. Ready in 15 seconds, it steams continuously for over 10 minutes and works at any angle without leaving water spots. The rotating head and dual-use design make it perfect for both hanging and flat ironing. With a 6-foot cord, wall mount bracket, and travel bag, it's the ultimate portable steamer for $49.99. And there you have it. 10 incredible Amazon finds that'll make your life easier, more productive, and way more fun. Which one are you adding to your cart first? All the links are down in the description below, so check them out. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and help me reach 100 subscribers. Drop a comment below and let me know which product you liked best. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.